In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to it to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. In order to go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!